Log in to your Yoroflow account and select your license. From the left side panel, click Project. To create a new project, click the Add Project button at the top right corner of the page. You can select a project template that best fits your requirements from the available options. Or, choose Create a new project from scratch to build a fully customized project. On the project configuration page, enter the project name, project key, application category, select the portfolio and its status, and add a project description. Then click Next. Here, you can customize your project stages by dragging and dropping columns. You can add new columns or delete existing ones to match your workflow. Under the Form tab, select a form from the existing list or create a new one. Alternatively, under Custom Fields, create new fields by defining the field name and field type. Enable the required toggle to make a field mandatory, then click Next. On the Task ID page, generate the task ID. Enable options for sprints, subtasks, and multiple assignees if required. Choose the task title format and click Create. Enable the persistence toggle to allow unique checks and form-based reports, then click Save Persistence. Your project board is now ready. From the top menu, you can access the dashboard, multiple views, sidebar options, reports, documents, and Eurodrive. Use the search bar on the project homepage to quickly find and access your project. To create tasks on the project board, click the plus icon next to the status column where you want to add a task. You can create tasks either manually or using AI. To create a task manually, enter the required details such as task title, name, description, and start date, then click Save and Close. You can move tasks between columns using drag and drop. To assign users, open the task card and click the Assign to icon on the right. Select users from the list and save. Set the start date and end date using the date picker. Assign a priority to the task, urgent, high, medium, or low. Click the timer icon to set estimated hours for the task. To add labels, click Add New Label. Choose from existing labels or create a new one. You can also assign a milestone to the task. To create subtasks, go to the Subtask section, click Add Subtask, enter the subtask name, and click Create. You can edit subtasks, update their status, set dates, and assign users. Under Attachments, add files from Eurodrive in the supported formats, up to 100 megabytes. In the Comments tab, mention users using the @ symbol, add your message, and click Add Comment. In Dependencies, view all task dependencies and workflow connections. Under Log Work, start the timer to track time automatically, or add time manually by clicking Add Work Log. Enter the hours, minutes, workdate, add comments if needed, and save.